Yeah, still going to be cleaning up from those strong storms that rolled through on yesterday, and we'll have more information on that as well as we go throughout the day on just what we were dealing with yesterday. But for now, yes, it is clear. It is cool heading out the door and still breezy, even though we don't have that wind advisory any longer. Still looking at a wind gust 30 miles per hour, taking you on out to our studios here in downtown Dallas. But look at the clear skies out there for you. So we are going to have tons of sunshine as we go through the day, but to bundle up, it is going to be on the cool side. 43 heading over to Rockwall, 44 there in Quinlan this morning. We'll have 41 getting out to Salina and 42 getting out to Fort Worth here this morning, maybe even dipping into the upper 30s in a couple of places here this morning before temperatures bounce back into the upper 50s to low 60s. So you see that normal high 65. So we're going to be right around, maybe just below that for today. It will be on the cooler side. Still going to see those northwest winds, but they will really ease up as you come home later today. Tonight with the clear skies, the light winds, it will be a chilly start to your Thursday morning as we'll have some mid upper 30s around for tomorrow. So bundle up that normal low 45, so we're going to be several degrees below that for tomorrow, and then the temperatures begin to rebound a little bit more as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We'll be back into the upper 60s, close to 70, and look at that big warm up on Friday. We'll be around 80, maybe 81, but then here comes the next front working its way in as well. So Friday night going into Saturday, more cool air moves in, but we're also going to have a pretty decent chance at seeing some rain as we start off the weekend. So we're going to be below normal this weekend before those temperatures do recover a little bit more as we head toward the early next week. All right, the storm system responsible for all the rain and thunderstorms and the brisk winds finally pulls on away. You see that spinning across portions of Missouri on into the Ohio Valley for today. As that moves on away, our winds will relax as we go through the day. Plenty of sunny skies. One thing we do have to be aware of as we go through the rest of the week, we will have that elevated fire danger. Going to stay breezy. We'll have the low humidity and those warmer temperatures through Friday before that front does arrive as we head into the weekend. So here it is with that 14-day forecast. Widespread showers, maybe some isolated thunderstorms beginning Friday night. Going into Saturday, we'll go with about a 60% coverage. And look at those temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s on Saturday as we spring forward Saturday night around 60, but the sunshine does return as we head into a Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week back into the upper 70s as we'll have that next chance for showers and thunderstorms late next week.